Encountering a media license error on Apple Music in your Tesla Model Y? This issue arises from digital rights management (DRM) conflicts. Apple Music uses Fair Play DRM, which requires a valid license linked to your account and region. Tesla's infotainment system needs to properly authenticate with Apple's servers. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve this annoyance. One common cause of the media license error is an expired Apple Music session or too many devices linked to your account. Apple allows up to 10 devices per account. First, ensure you haven't exceeded your device limit. You can check this in your Apple account settings. Try logging out of Apple Music within your Tesla and then logging back in. This forces a refresh of your authentication tokens and often resolves the error. Apple Music licenses are region-specific, meaning the content available depends on your geographic location. For example, the US catalog differs from the European one due to licensing agreements. If your Tesla's region setting doesn't match your Apple Music account region, perhaps due to travel or VPN use, you'll get the media license error. The system detects this mismatch and blocks playback. To fix this, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Region in your Tesla's infotainment system. Verify that the region setting reflects your correct current location. Correcting this region mismatch is crucial for resolving the error. Tesla's infotainment system uses a cache to load data faster, but corrupted cache data can lead to license retrieval errors. To clear the cache, go to Controls, then Service, then Factory Reset. This will reset your vehicle settings, so note them beforehand. If that is undesirable, you can contact Tesla Service for another option for your model. Begin the reset procedure by logging out of Apple Music in your Tesla. Access the media settings through the infotainment touchscreen. Locate Apple Music in the Apps section and select the option to log out. This clears your current authentication session and prepares for the region check. Next, check your Tesla's region setting to avoid licensing mismatches. Navigate to Settings, then General, and select Region. Confirm it matches your physical location or intended service area. If incorrect, update it now, as this directly affects Apple Music compatibility. Now perform a factory reset to clear the cache, which is often the root cause of media license errors. Go to Controls, then Service, and select Factory Reset. Note that this resets the entire infotainment system, so you'll need to reconfigure settings afterward. Enter your Tesla account details to proceed. Finally, once the factory reset is complete and your Tesla restarts, log back into Apple Music. Navigate to the Media section, select Apple Music, and sign in with your Apple ID. This completes the reset procedure and should resolve the media license error. If the basic reset steps don't resolve the media license error, the next step is to ensure your Tesla's software is fully up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with streaming services like Apple Music. Additionally, verify that your Apple Music subscription is active and in good standing. An expired or inactive subscription can trigger license errors. Check your subscription status on your iPhone or other Apple device. Looking ahead, Tesla is working on deeper integration with streaming services and AI-driven diagnostics. Future software updates starting with V2026 will automate cache resets and region adjustments based on user behavior, making these errors much less frequent. These AI-driven diagnostics will learn from user patterns to proactively fix issues before they occur, creating a more seamless in-car experience. By 2027, Tesla aims for full interoperability with streaming ecosystems, potentially reducing license errors by 40% through shared authentication and advanced AI. Many Tesla Model Y owners have shared success stories with fixing media license errors on community forums. For example, users traveling internationally have resolved the issue by adjusting the region setting in their vehicle's infotainment menu. One case study involves a driver who traveled from the US to Europe and faced region-related errors. By switching the vehicle's region to Europe in the settings and performing a cache reset, they restored full Apple Music functionality. Community threads on Tesla Motors Club are valuable resources for additional tips and troubleshooting advice. Checking these can provide other solutions tailored to specific situations.